Okay, hey guys, I know my writing is very bad, but this is my first YouTube video, and I'm going to be making slime. Okay. So the ingredients you will need is some Elmer's glue, clear or white glue will work, some borax and water solution, that's what I'm using, something to mix and something to mix with, and let's get started. Okay, my lighting is very bad. First you want to get your glue and pour it a little bit. If you want a lot, then you can pour the whole bottle, but just pour a little bit. I'm going to pour a little bit, but you don't have to pour a little bit, because yeah. And then you want to get your borax and water solution and pour it. And then you just start mixing. It's going to start looking like this. And yeah. Then you're going to start going in with your hands. And if it gets a little bit too sticky, then put it back in the borax and water solution. But mine isn't sticky. So now it's getting sticky. And the glue will start coming off a little bit. My hands are very messy right now. Okay, so you just want to keep on mixing and mixing until you see that it stops sticking and it'll start picking up slime off your hands. And if you want to add food coloring, you can, but I'm just going to leave my slime white. And yeah, but if you add too much borax, it'll turn up as putty and not as slime. I've done that before, and it doesn't even stretch, and you can't really do anything with it. But you normally know, like back in the day, there used to be silly putty. Where did silly putty go? Like, now everyone's going into slime. I'm like, where's silly putty? So, bye guys. Thanks for watching.